How to create Sora to consistent character video without Cameo. So to basically do this with a consistent character, the key is to lock the character's identity through description discipline. You can start by defining your character once and reuse that exact description in every scene. So we have an example prompt over here. So we can mention to use the same description every time. Let's say a 28-year-old Asian woman with shoulder length, straight black hair, warm brown eyes, light skin tone, and so on. But you gotta put in mind that by doing something like this, it's going to make the prompt much and much longer, since in every scene you're pretty much doing the same details. It's just copy and paste for the same character. So you can write it like a character anchor over here. You can paste or paraphrase it very closely in each storyboard card. So with that in mind, you can avoid vague characters like now or something else, or unless you explicitly describe the new outfit in detail. Consistency in wording signals to Sora that this is the same person and not just a new variation. And finally, you can go ahead and just use the storyboard over here. Now this is meant for these kinds of videos where it is somewhat in a detailed manner for each scene to pretty much keep the characters the same, to keep the sceneries the same, to keep things consistent. So it can control continuity across the scenes and keep the character present in consecutive shots. So the reference their previous actions. So for example, the same woman from the previous scene continues walking. So that pretty much maintains the story. So maintain stable camera language as well. Don't jump wildly between angles or styles unless it is necessary depending on your scene. If you have a single reference image of the character, you can reuse it again for each scene. So with that in mind, it's basically just the prompts that you have to keep it consistent. So sudden style shifts often can cause a character drift. So in short, repeat, anchor, and transition smoothly, since Sora will give out an upload or a generation with clarity and continuity. But that is pretty much how you do this. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.